4.
Let not your heart be troubled, ye believe in God, believe also in me. In my Father's house are many mansions. If it were not so, I would have told you. I go to prepare a place for you. And if I go and prepare a place for you, I will come again, I will come again, and receive you unto myself, that where I am there ye may be also. John chapter 14 verses 1 to 3.